Hello guys, welcome back to Ankita's kitchen, and today we are going to make a very simple dish, that is Chana Paneer, which has no garlic or onion. So let's quickly get it started with the recipe. Here I have my pan heating up. To that we'll add some oil. Now I have all the measurements on the screen so you can check it out. We'll spread the oil. To that we'll add some tomato and chili paste. Just throw in some tomato and chilies in the blender and blend it with some water. To that we'll add ginger paste. Give it a good mix. To that we'll add some turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin powder, give it a good mix. And now we'll add some salt to taste. A good mix. Now we'll cover this and cook it for about 5 minutes over low heat. Here the masala is well cooked. A good mix. And finally we'll add the chana, which is boiled in the pressure cooker. I have pre-soaked the chana and I've boiled it in the pressure cooker for about 5 whistles. Now to the curry I have added some water, little water. Once the curry comes to a boil, we'll add paneer. Give it a good mix. Now if you want, you can add onion and garlic to this curry. Now I have covered it and cooked it for about 5 minutes over medium heat, because once you add the paneer, you're not supposed to cook it for too long, otherwise the paneer will become very chewy and we don't want that. Finally we'll add some coriander leaves, give it a good mix, and it's ready. You can serve this with roti, rice, naan, anything that you like. It's a very simple and light dish. Do give this a try, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.